YouTube, how are you? As of today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go from this to that. Magic, huh? So that means I'm going to teach you how to install the Wii Virtual Consoles from the PC to the Wii. Okay, now all you need is three kinds of materials. Here is the SD card, and this is worth 2 gigabytes. The Nintendo Wii Remote, and the Nintendo Wii that has to be on. From there, you put that SD card onto the PC and see where we can go from there. This is my voice behind the video camera, okay? Why don't we just get started with the WiiWare or Wii Virtual Console installation procedure. Okay, you're gonna navigate into the browser and you go to this website. Link is in the description down below. All right, and as you can see here, I'm already on the L section of downloading the Wii Virtual Console, and I'm going to select the Legend of Zelda NES version. And what you want to do is click download and give it at least a few seconds, depending how your computer speeds up of that process. So I'm going to click download and wait for it. All right, download completed. Now I'm going to minimize that. Once it's finished complete download, you're going to open up, I'm going to open an extra file explorer and you're going to, sorry. Now you're going to just start dragging the WAD and bring it to the SD card and where it says WADs files. If you don't have a WADs file, you're going to have to really create one. It's for the Homebrew Channel, okay? Well, since I already have that, because this is the one I'm just going to demonstrate to you, just add it right here into the WADs folder, okay? And once you do it, just close everything out, and then we can go to the Homebrew Channel on the Nintendo Wii. Now start removing the SD card from the PC. Reinsert it to the Nintendo Wii. Okay. Start navigating to the Homebrew Channel. Click on that. Hit start. Okay, and then go to Multi-Mod Manager. Hit load. Okay, now here's the main menu of what the Multi-Mod Manager looks like. Now scroll down with your Wii Remote D-pad and go scroll down and you hit load another iOS, and you gonna have it load to 249. Gonna hit A. Okay, now see it's now successfully changed in the current iOS of the 249. Now squat up to WAD Manager. I'm gonna go to WADs, hit that, and here are the total list of the games, the virtual consoles I am willingly to install to the channel of the main menu of the Nintendo Wii. Alright. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna start with Legend of Zelda NES version. Hit A. I'm gonna hit A twice. Wait for the content to be completely, and there it is. See, voila, successfully completed. All right, pretty thrilled with that. I'll press any button, and I'm gonna exit out. I'm gonna hit home button. And I'm gonna hit home button once more. Go to the exit system menu. Wait for it. And here it is. Voila! The Legend of Zelda. The Virtual Console that I wanted to bring back the way it was before. And you know, I have to tell you something about this. Ever since the last video I showcased to you all, I have thought that over. I decided to make an extra, make some, like a little copy of the Virtual Console I wanted to put back the way it was before onto the Nintendo Wii. Although I understand that once it's transferred from the Nintendo Wii to the Wii U, it cannot ever transfer back. So I had to work on some other solutions for myself. Did that make sense? Anyway, I'm gonna start the game up. Here's the game, The Legend of Zelda. That shall do it, guys and gals. I hope I've explained it well, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please give me a like, leave your feedback, and subscribe for other videos to come in the future, okay? Till then, stay healthy, stay protected, and have a good day. Bye-bye.